How was your honeymoon? Are you expecting?
Expecting?
Tawagan ko na si Jello.
No! Don't!
Surprise!
What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be in Kuala Lumpur?
Naparito ako para makilala ko kaagad yung asawa mo.
I need to see you now.
Ingat-ingat ka, mamaya mapasubo ka.
You must be Jello.
Ano nangyayari dito?
Si Lily.
His wife.
Wife!
Sa tingin mo hindi tayo magbubuking?
Mali siya lang napangasawa ng anak ko.
Paano pag nakita nila iba yung pictures ng pamilya ko?
Nasaan nga pala yung mister mo?
Patay na po. Yun nga po yung huling kaway niya.
I'm doing this for my family. Just like you.
Sarili mo ngang kwarto, hindi mo malinis, tapos sa lakas ng loob mong kumuha ng asawa.
Welcome to our family, Lily! Ano ba talaga ang plano mo para sa apo ko?
Jello's been talking to Lolo for some time now.
Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan po ni Lily.
Kiss naman dyan!
No!
naman!
We have to tell them soon. Kasi I can't go on like this. Mali na eh.
Is there something you need to tell us?
Sana maintindihan nyo na...
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant!
Ang ibig mo sabihin, magkakaroon na rin ako ng apo sa tuhod?
Come in.
May drugs yun.
No, Kaya. Patrick gave it to me. Cute kid. What are you looking at?
Your arms. It's very nice. Great arms you got over there.
Thanks.
Sasahig ako sa kama ka. My brother, very... makulit.
If you promise to be a nice boy, you don't have to sleep on the floor, because it's dirty.
It's very dirty. And I'm a good boy. I promise.
So naput kayo talaga. Alam niyo naman po na may presentation kami kay Lily bukas. Kapag yun talaga kailangan, dapat perfect. So, sandali lang, kukuha lang ako ng documents to review. Please, Lolo, sorry
Sige,
talaga.
yeah. Take your time, take your time. Sige. Dito lang ako sa table ni Lily.
Okay, wait lang po.
Did you see Lolo's face today? He looks so happy. And we're doing this for family, right? So worth it.
Yes, and for the same reason that every payment you give me, it's for my family.
I can see how much they love you and how much you love them. You have a good heart, Jello.
Uy. Baka may round 2 yun. Mas maganda.
Oh, ha! You got so many kisses today.
Fake nga yung isa. Swing.
Oh, do you expect a real one?
Siyempre, realistic tayo dapat.
No way, Jose. Sleep. Give me this. Frankly, I thought I'll be single forever. But when I found out that Lolo was sick, I was suddenly very afraid. I don't want to disappoint Lolo. I wanted to make him happy. So if by letting him know that there is a guy who's going to take care of me and that he'll feel better, I want to give him that gift. So I'm getting married so that Lolo will feel better. you sleep that side, and I'll be this side.
Maybe
And no crossing. Go.
it's uneven.
No.
It's not balanced.
Sleep. No.
Good night. Good night.
Uy, good night!
Good night.
Lily? Tulog ka na? Funny, ah. Lily?
Sleep.
You might think that it is funny. You might say it's just a fancy fantasy. You might think I am a fool, but you're the one who makes me whole. It's undeniable. It's indescribable.
Shucks, I'm late. I'm late now.
Honey, relax.
I can't. We have a delivery today.
Sleep. Hey. My head hurts so bad.
Uy, mamaya na. Para yan sa bisita, no?
Hindi ba tayo kakain?
Mamaya na tayo kakain.
Lolo Jean!
Patrick.
Lolo Jean!
Kamusta?
Uy,
Wow, kayo na po.
hindi mo na kayo kakain? Mag-apahan mo na kayo.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Tignan ko lang po ah.
Lolo Jean,
Wow!
what are you doing here?
I just pulled some strings. Jello. Konting tulong sa negosyo mo.
Lolo, sobra-sobra na to, ah.
Kulang pa nga yan eh.
Good morning po, Lolo Jean. Hindi man lang kami
umaga.
nakapag-ayos. Hindi ko alam na darating
Wala
kayo.
naman, may hinahatid lang ako. Kulang pa nga yan eh. Sa ngayon nga eh, hinahanda ko ng church wedding ninyo. Siyempre, kinakailangan granding selebrasyon.
Lolo, you don't have to do that.
I only want the best for you. You know that.
Tama po yata si Lily. Para mas okay muna yung civil wedding.
Jello, hindi mo naintindihan. Wala nang pamilya to. Kailangan ng granding kasal para maimbita ko.
Teka. Anong kasal? Sino kakasal?
And you are?
Ako lang naman po ang girlfriend ni Jello. Yaya po.
Lolo Jean, Lily, please maniwala po kayo sa akin.
Paki-explain ka nga. Totoo ba na itong babaeng to, ikaw ang boyfriend talaga niya? At niloloko mo lang ang apo ko?
Lolo, Jello didn't do anything like that. Actually, I borrowed him. I asked him to be my husband in the meantime until I find a real one.
I've been waiting for you to say that.
What are you talking about, Lolo?
Alam ko na ang katotohanan tungkol sa inyong dalawa ni Jello. Kaya naman pumunta ako dito ngayong umaga. Kasi gusto kong marinig mula sa iyo mismo. At hindi kung kay sino-sino lang.
Lolo?
When your parents died, I swore in their graves that I would not just take care of you, but raise you right.
But you did, Lolo. How did you find out, Lolo?
Kahit hindi mo naman sabihin sa akin eh. Parang may naramdaman ako na mali. That's why I had to come here to Manila. Just to see for myself kung talaga nag-asawa ka na. And I know you wouldn't do anything para masaktan ako. Dahil mahal kita, I wanted to believe na talagang asawa mo nga yung lalaking yun. Tapos, buntis ka pa. That really made me happy.
Ay, Patrick, huwag mo sayangin ang pagkain, ha? Pinaghirapan niya ng kuya mo.
Nay, ayoko nang pag-usapan ngayon. Nandiyan pa si Patrick, oh.
Ayaw mong malaman niya kung ano yung kamali ang ginawa mo?
Sa kwarto.
Remember nung sinamahan ako ni Cons para ihatid ako sa condominium? We passed by the showroom. It so happened I saw your computer. I saw the folder na nakalagay yung prenup. Gusto ko sana makita yung mga pictures na yung wedding ninyo na baka hindi mo napadala sa akin sa Malaysia. I'm sorry.
Hindi naman sa pinapasa ko yung sisi, pero si Lily yung lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya gusto niyang pasayahin yung pamilya niya. Tinulungan ko lang siya, Nay. Tsaka gipit lang din ako.
Walang gipit-gipit. Sanay naman tayo sa hirap, ha? Bakit? Kaya naman nating umahon ng hindi nanloloko ng tao. Pero hindi sa ganyang paraan. Anak, hindi kita pinalaki para manloko ng tao. Nakakahiya. Patanda pa yung niloko mo. Eh, paano kung atakihin yan?
Nay. Nay.
I never want you to feel bad.
Was I asking too much? I only wanted you to find someone who could care for you, make you smile, and make you happy. I was just worried for you because you've been working so hard.
I was worried about me too, Lolo. But what I want the most is that you're happy.
If it wasn't time for you to get married, maintindihan ko rin naman yun. Alam mo naman, lambing ko lang naman sa'yo yun. Hindi ko akalaing siseryosohin mo ng ganun. I think it's time to go back to Malaysia as soon as possible. We might as well start that extension office that we've always wanted. There's too much trouble here.
But Lolo,
No more talk. Look where it got you. Look where it got me.
Ayun na yung ano natin.
Saan po ito?
Paligid na lang dyan sa may side. Doon.
Dito sa gilid. Pa tayo?
Doon sa gilid, sa side.
Maganda to.
Okay na ba? Lipat ko kaya? Teka. Lipat ko ng pwesto ano, sandali lang. Pag ganito na lang pala, kasi may lalagay pa pala akong TV dyan eh. Pag ganito na lang. Ayan. Nagbago na yung isip ko eh. Dito na lang siya. Okay. Ganda, di ba? Okay na ba sa'yo yan? Baka gusto mo ibalik doon. Sa dating pwesto. Ayun, okay na siya. Ano? Okay na ba sa'yo yan? Balik na lang natin ulit. Pabalik na lang daw kasi parang ayaw niya yan eh. Pakisandal na lang ulit doon. Balik na lang sa dati. Ayan, mas maganda pakibalik na lang doon.
Kayo na lang kaya maglipat nito. Kanina pa kami paulit-ulit, parang kama lang, di nyo alam kung saan nyo lalagay eh.
Di ba tama naman ako kasi may gano'n eh.
Akala nyo kasi sweet kayo habang buhay, maghihiwalay din kayo.
Hoy! Angelo!
Ano?
Ba't nagreklamo yung kliyente na pinaiyak mo daw yung babae?
Anong gusto mong gawin ko? Nairita ako eh. Sila lang ba yung in love? Sila lang ba yung bagong kasal?
Kaya nga bagong kasal. Kaya nga naglalambingan. Tanga ka ba?
Anong gusto gusto mong gawin ko?
Ba't sa kanila ko binabaan yung pagkainis mo? Tandaan mo, kliyente yun.
Ano ngayon? Merita ako eh.
Lakas ng pagka-bad trip mo. Ano ang problema mo? Naiinggit ka. Ah,
What happened? I know something's wrong. You don't approve anything on the first pass. And what's this talk about you leaving?
Lolo wants me to go back to KL.
Like ka nang pupunta ng KL eh. We do what we always do. Video conference as usual.
No, this is different. He wants me to move back to KL. Lolo found out about Jello this morning.
Lola Jean already met your husband. Duh.
That's the thing. He found out that he's not my husband for real. He found out that I paid him.
Oh. Paano niya nalaman? Oh my God. Tumaan kami dito kagabi. Baka nakita niya. Sorry, Lily. I shouldn't have brought Lola Jean here.
kung ako sa'yo, maghanap ka na lang ng babaeng mayaman na naghahanap ng peking asawa.
Ay, sumusobra ka na.
Sumusobra. Totoo naman eh, di ba?
Below the belt ka na nga eh.
Below the belt, hindi ba totoo?
Kung ano yung sa amin ni Lily, wala ka nang pakialam doon, ha? Basta ako, alam ko, yung sa amin, di fake yun, okay?
How did this happen, Cons? It was the perfect plan. How did it fall apart?
You're panicking for the wrong thing, Lily. It's not obvious that you should worry about.
No. I disappointed Lolo Jean. And he wants to send me back to KL. And I have to find a replacement for this place. And I don't want to go back there. This is my life here. And I disappointed Jello. I didn't stand up for him. Instead, worry about everything.
No, okay? No, Lily, you listen to me. You only have to worry for you, not for anyone else. You just got your heart broken. You're allowed to cry.
Salamat, ah. Kasi pinakiusapan mo si Bossing na tanggapin ulit ako dito. Kaya salamat.
Eh, yun lang naman kasi yung pambawi ko sa naudlot mong love life eh.
Hindi yun, no ba? Ganon din naman ending nun. Hindi mo kailangan mag-guilty yun. Magkakabukingan din yun.
Bakit ganit tsura mo?
Bakit?
Hindi ka ba fully paid?
Bayad na.
Eh, bayad ka naman pala eh. Anong problema mo? Good racket na kaya yun. Chong, one tinamaan ka. One tinamaan ka sa lili niya na. Di na yan racket. Ano, gusto mo? Mag-yossi ba tayo sa labas? Mamadamdaming usapan yan eh.
Surprise! Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Let's eat.
Nako. Di ba, mabibis kita.
Kahit na hindi ka fun. But
Joke lang.
you're gonna visit KL often, right?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be the same. Mawawalan ako ng kagimi.
Gigimik tayo sa KL. Or sa Manila when I come back here.
Sana madalas ka dito. Pumunta pa rin kasi mawawalan kami ng slave driver na boss.
But Cons, I think I need to say sorry and goodbye to Jello's family.
Jello's family lang ba? O kay Jello mismo?
Ano? Tinamaan ka nga, no?
Mukhang.
Matindi. Alam mo, mukhang okay naman si Lily eh. Mukhang mabibigyan niya ng direksyon ng buhay mo.
Pasok po tayo. Kuha lang po ako ng tubig.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Lily,
Nanay.
Hi,
Hi. I just came to say goodbye.
Wala si Jello eh.
Nanay, sorry sa gulo na ginawa ko. I pleaded with Jello to do this, and he really wanted to help his family. And he's so happy to be able to do that with whatever little help I could give him.
It's okay. But I have to tell you this bilang nanay, ha? You know, you have to be honest to make your family happy. Yun lang. We're okay na.
I know, but Jello has a good heart. So I hope that you can forgive him. And I hope that you can find it in your heart to forgive me as well. I'm leaving the country.
Dahil ba sa nangyari? Well, I hope you find the right man. And sana you get married soon. It's not funny. Lily, you're beautiful. And you're a good person. Besides, you're not getting any younger. You know, if you find a good man and get married, masaya ka na rin. Tapos, magiging happy na din yung lolo mo for real.
Sulat lang ito ng pasasalamat.
Lily, hindi ito love letter. Sulat lang to ng pasasalamat. Kasi dumating ka sa tamang panahon, sa tamang lugar, kung kailan di ko inaasahan, kung kailan kailangan kita. Ang sarap pala ng pakiramdam na kailanganin ka ng isang tao gaya ng pangangailangan mo sa kanya. Kaya sobrang salamat. Ikaw ang swerte ko. Jello.
Wait, si Lily.
Ako sa'yo. Ayan, ito yung console table naman po. Mura-mura.
Si Lily.
Ano ba? Huwag kang magulo.
Hindi, kailangan ko lang siya makausap.
Ako sa'yo. Baero.
Jello, anong ginagawa mo rito? Wala si Lily dito. Kinuha niya na yung mga bagay at tutuloy na kami sa airport mamaya.
Sir, kailangan ko po sana siya makausap.
Pwede ba? Hayaan mo na siya. She's starting a new life. Kung talagang gusto mong ayusin lahat ito, dapat noon pa. Hindi ngayon at huli na ang lahat.
Lolo Jean, Sir, alam ko po, nagkamali ako. Gusto ko pong humingi ng patawad sa inyo. Alam ko nagkamali ako na tinanggap ko, pinayagan ko na mangyari yung peke na kasalanan. Pero sana po maniwala po kayo sa akin, Sir.
Na pinagkakitaan mo lang ang apo ko? Jello, pinaniwalaan kita. Hindi ko inaasahang gagawin mo to. Di ba nangako ka sa akin na mamahalin mo yung apo ko and you will take care of her? Pinakisamahan kita ng maayos. Bumili pa nga ako ng truck.
Sir, alam ko sobrang budget na po ako sa inyo. Pero kaya nga po ako nandito ngayon para sabihin sa inyo yung totoong nararamdaman ko para sa apo niyo. Sir, mahal ko na po yung apo niyo. Lalo na yung bahagi na Gagawin niya lahat para sa pamilya niya. Kaya ngayon, mas gusto ko po sana siyang makilala, tsaka gusto ko po sana siyang gusto ko po sana siyang mas malin. Lolo. Sir.
Naninikip ang dibdib ko.
Ha? Ayos ka lang? Sir. Sir. Uy, si Lolo. Sir! Pare, tulong naman. Ambulansya, please, sir.
Tawagan mo si Lily.
Sir. Sir, please lang.
Ayokong mamatay ng... Hindi kayo nagkakaayusan.
Sir,
Tawagan mo si...
ambulansya, uy!
Ito na.
Tawagan mo si Lily. Tawagan mo si Lily ngayon. Ayoko mamatay na hindi ko siya nakakausap.
Lolo. Sir.
Tawagan mo si Lily.
Huy! Lolo.
Speed dial 1.
Di ko alam Hello!
Hi, Lolo. Yes, I'm done packing na. Sunduin ko kayo dyan.
Lily, nasan ka?
Jello, is that you? Why do you have Lolo's phone?
Yung lolo mo, natake, nandito kami sa opisina. Tara na, pumunta ka dito.
Puntahan ko kayo. Jello?
Lily, where are you? I have good news for you.
Cons, mamaya na yan. Meet me sa showroom. And please call an ambulance.
Where is an ambulance?
Lolo's having a heart attack. Okay?
Lolo, huwag ka muna mamamatay. Hindi ako patatawarin ng apo mo niyan. Lolo, happy thoughts. Lolo, happy thoughts.
Magkakatuluyan kayo. Pagbibigyan ka niya. At makakasal kayo. Magkakaroon ako ng mga apo.
Ano naman to si Lolo? Happy thoughts, hayop din eh. Puro si Lily.
Lolo! Oh, Jello, what happened? Ambulance is on the way.
Lily, I'm glad you're here.
Don't worry, Lolo. Don't worry.
Lily, I forgive you for what you've done. If you promise to love Jello, I've only wanted the best for you and for Jello. And Jello will be the father of your children.
Lolo.
Okay, yeah.
Lolo, may nakikita ka na bang white light? Lolo, huwag ka sumama, Lolo. Lolo, patutunayan ko pa sa'yo na mamahalin ko yung apo mo at saka yung mga apo mo sa tuhod. Please lang, di ba, Lily?
Promise.
Di ba?
What?
I love you.
For real?
Oh, I love you. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa, pero I love you.
What about Yeye?
Wala na yun. Kahit tanongin pa si Lolo, wala na yun. I love you. Tanongin pa Lolo mo, wala na yun.
Lolo!
That's true. That's true, Lily. I want you both to promise me. Promise me that you will take care and love each other.
Promise,
Promise, Lolo.
Lolo!
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 Lolo! Lolo!
Don't go, Lolo!
Lolo! Lolo!
Lolo!
Hindi na pwedeng bawain yung promise, ha?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I feel better now.
Lolo, are you playing a trick on me?
It worked, didn't I?
Lolo! Lolo! Oh my God! Okay.
You promise? You promise to love each other?
Promise, Lolo.
Promise.
I want you both to seal it with a kiss.
Huh? You can just kiss me here, it's fine. So, paano ba yan? Tayong dalawa na lang nandito.
Yes, just the two of us.
Walang Lolo Jing.
Walang pamilya mo ng makulit?
Totoong wedding rings, ah. For real.
Yep.
For real. So, mas maganda siguro kung isil natin to ng kiss na swak na swak.
What's swak na swak?
Yung palong-palo.
What's palong-palo?
Yung mismo. Ano?
But I think I need to catch my breath before you take it all away again. I need to concentrate, 'cause I don't know what to say whenever you're near me, whenever you touch me. I don't know what you did to me, but I think I'm in love. You're crazy. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. You're crazy. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. You're crazy. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. You're crazy. I think I'm in love. But I think I need to catch my breath before you take it all away again. I need to concentrate, 'cause I don't know what to say whenever you're near me, whenever you touch me. I don't know.
Ha? Ang hina mo naman. Paano ba yan?
What? What did
Hindi siya gigising at di kita kinitis.
With a kiss. If you really promise.
No, Lolo, please don't. Please don't play a trick. Come on, I know you're okay now.
I was feeling better.
Oh!
But I really feel better if you kiss.
Ba't ka tumatawa?
Lolo,
Before you take it all